Windows Metafile is a 16-bit vector format from the Windows 3.0 era. Modern apps prefer EMF or SVG, but Paint can still open these vintage clip art files. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view it. As a quick preventative measure, I always recommend having a dedicated universal file viewer ready. This kind of tool can often bypass basic WMF corruption. We will discuss my top recommendation again later in the tutorial. The WMF File extension represents the Windows Metafile format, a vector graphics format developed by Microsoft. It stores a sequence of drawing commands that can be interpreted by the Windows Graphics Device Interface, GDI, to render images. Additionally, it can be used as a Windows Metafile guide, containing instructions or documentation related to the WMF format itself. WMF files contain a series of records that define drawing operations, such as lines, curves, and filled areas. The format supports both vector and raster elements. It is device-dependent, meaning the appearance of the image may vary slightly, depending on the output device and the GDI implementation. For full compatibility with WMF, use the proprietary Adobe Illustrator CC developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. Full multi-track access requires a utility specifically designed for the media format. Windows gives only a partial picture, so full vector creation or modification needs proper software. This WMF file is tricky, so let's test thoroughly. Right-click it and choose Open With. If Adobe Illustrator CC is there, use it first. If not, choose a different app and continue the test. If the WMF file won't open, don't panic. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, use Image Viewer. Open the file using any universal image viewer, e.g. IrfanView, XNView, or an image editor like Adobe Illustrator. Next, check for corruption. If the file won't load, try re-downloading it or ask the sender to export it again. Finally, convert to SVG PNG. Use an image editor to convert the WMF file to a universal format like .svg or PNG. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.